What is going on, everyone? It is Chance Trades Value back again with another video. If you are new here, this channel is all about providing value when it comes to the stock market. So I will be going over a trade recap that I did today. I did one trade, and that was on Apple for a profit of $370. It was a 19-minute trade. Got in at 7:01, and I exited my position at 7:20. So let me just get to it. The trade recap should take no longer than 5 minutes. If you like the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I would greatly appreciate it, and it helps the channel a lot. I'm trying to get monetized, and so yeah. So at 7:01, I got in with 10 contracts. And I know what you're probably thinking, Chance, why did you get in with 10 contracts? So basically, up until 7 o'clock, Apple pre-market, I saw it was going up, and I wanted to see their direction. So when the market opened, Apple took a sell-off, it took a dip, and then I was, not going to lie, I was a little tempted to get in calls. Calls means you make money if the stock goes up. I wanted to get in right here, but I chose not to, because I wanted to see the direction it was going to take for the rest of the day, because the market was a little sideways, to be honest. I was looking at SPY, and I was looking at ES and Dow, and the market was just sideways today. So Apple went up, and sure enough, I thought, like, I gotta wait to, for it to pick a pattern, for it to give me conviction on what I want to do. So once the second candle formed, I went like this. I drew this line, and then I saw it drop, and then so I got in at 7:01 with 10 contracts. I was just patient, just waiting, because I had conviction. It dipped down. I was in the money a little bit, and then I went out of the money, and then at 7:10, I got in with another 10. So right here, I got in with another 10 at 7:10, as you guys can see right here, 7:10. I got in with 10 more, and plus 1 is 10. The only reason that these right here, that everything's all broken up, is because that's just how it shows up sometimes. But I got filled, as you can see, it all says 7:01, so I got filled at 7:01 with 10, and then at 7:10 I got filled with another 10. So by the time it hit 7:10, I was in with 20 contracts. And the thing I was telling myself is, all it got to do is really hit. All my option has to do, my apologies, sometimes my mouse double clicks, I need to get a new one. Basically, I was telling myself, like, if Apple breaks this price point right here of 720.30 or 120.30, my apologies, it's gonna break down. I mean, I just knew it, so I got out at 7:20. It's like right around here. Let me check. Yeah, see the timestamp right there, 7:20. So 7:20, I literally got out like 7:20.37. 7:20.37. So in the middle of this candle, I got out. So that was my trade, you guys. After I got out, it made a strong push down. It made a strong move down. So good trade on my part. Good execution. That's why I went in with a decently good size. I had belief, I had conviction, and that's really it. So make sure you guys always stick to your plan when it comes to trading, and make sure that you have good strategy set in place. I don't really like to swing trade, because you don't really, it's almost like you're kind of just it's a guess game at that point. Yeah, you can go based off of a lot of statistics and a lot of price points, etc. But at the end of the day, I mean, there's so much time in pre-market that the stock can go shoot way up or shoot way down. So just make sure that you guys execute when it comes to entering and exiting the trade. Make sure you guys are patient. Make sure you wait for the right setups. But if I provided value, and if you guys like this video and want more to come, I'll be making videos regardless. But it just helps the channel out a lot. Only if you guys do like the video. If I provided value, if you can subscribe and like if you haven't already. And but besides that, have a blessed day, and I hope you guys the best of luck on your trading journey. So thank you.